Hey guys, welcome back. Today I would like to do a speed comparison between the iPhone SE that was released in 2016 and the iPhone SE in 2020. First, I'm gonna do a boot test. So let me go ahead and power off both of these devices first. So now let me go ahead and turn it off. And now let me turn it back on. 1, 2, 3. It seems like the iPhone SE came up first, SE 2016, and so now let's wait and see the result. The SE in 2020 first, so let me mention again, SE 2016 it has A9 chip, and SE 2020 it has A13 chips. So now let's start with default apps. Now let's continue with social media like Facebook, Messenger, Instagram, and so on. So now let me go ahead and start with Facebook. iPhone SE 2020 is very quick. And now let's go into Messenger. SE 2020 again, and you can see SE 2020 is very fast and open the app very quick. And now let's go into Instagram. And now let's go into TikTok. Let's go with Telegram. And now let's go with YouTube. So you can already tell. And now let's do with some games. So now let me go ahead and try S4 9. I am very impressed with iPhone SE 2020. It is very fast. It is load the game very quick. And if you talk about the temperature, this does not hot at all. It is normal. But SE 2020 it is pretty hot right now. So SE 2020 is in the game right now, and SE 2016 is behind. So I'm not gonna wait because it takes you too long. And so now if you go into Geckbench here, you can see iPhone SE 2020 it has A13 chip with 3 GB of RAM, while the iPhone SE 2016 has A9 chip with 2 GB of RAM. And that's it for this video, and thanks for watching. Then I will see you guys in the next one.